Subtraction. What is subtraction? Subtraction is when you take one number away from another number. This is a subtraction or a minus symbol. This is an equals to symbol. You have 2 oranges. And now if you eat one of it. So now, how many will remain? Only 1 orange will remain. Your mom has 3 tomatoes. She had to cut 1 tomato for curry. How many will remain? Only 1 will remain. 1 has already been used. Your mother has bought 4 plants. Accidentally. 2 fell down. Now how many will remain? 2 will be the remaining. You bought 3 water bottles. For yourself, your sister, and your father. You and your sister drank 2 bottles of water. How many will remain? Only 1. That is for your father. Your father bought 4 bottles of milk. 3 are being used. How many will remain? Only 1. Other 3 are used already. In your school you have 3 basketballs. Oops! 1 has no air in it. So now how many remain? Yes, 2 will be the remaining. Your brother bought 5 blue pens. 2 of them are not working properly. Now tell me how many of them are working properly? 3. Only 3 of them are working properly. While playing in the garden you plucked 6 leaves. You throw away 2 yellow leaves. How many will remain? 4. Yes, 4 from 6 will be the remaining. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Crayons and fun.